This will be a quick video showing how to make a unique vintage looking bag stand for your golf clubs. These stands are most popular with Hickory Golf due to their antique look and work very well with a small pencil bag. This project is fairly basic and only requires a few basic tools and supplies. Firstly is the wood, which should be about 3 feet long. A convenient and interesting choice of these are the square yardsticks which can usually be found cheap at antique stores. They also have advertising on them for old companies and have a deep patina which gives you a nice antique look. They're also much stronger than standard yardsticks, of course, so they make for a good sturdy bag stand. The measurement marks are also useful to work with. Starting off, I'll mark and drill through the 25-inch mark with a quarter-inch drill bit. This will allow me to skewer the sticks together with a bolt, which will allow the stand to pivot. When bolting together, I suggest placing a washer between the sticks just so the wood isn't rubbing against each other when pulling them apart. After this, you will need another washer and a nut to secure the sticks together. It does not need to be reefed on tight, as too much tension can make the stand too hard to open, so hand tightening is enough. If you have excess bolts sticking out, you can trim it off with a hacksaw. I also then tap the tip with a hammer to mushroom the threads out so the nut won't spin off through prolonged use. Now the two sticks are together but won't be able to stand on their own. Next, you must either use rope or string lower on the bag to set how much you want the bag stand to open. I decided to do this at the 15-inch mark and once again drilled holes through both sticks. I suggest using a stronger and thicker rope than I did, but this is what I had on hand. The rope must simply be threaded through the holes as shown here. Next, tie the rope off in any way you want. You will want the string between the sticks to be about 8 inches long to make sure the stand is stable enough while also being able to support the bag comfortably. I did a double knot here and reinforced it with a dab of super glue to ensure it doesn't come undone with extended use. Keep in mind this rope will be supporting the weight of your entire golf bag. After both sticks are tied off, simply trim off any excess rope and you should be good to go. If you're a walker using hickory clubs, this stand is a good alternative to simply placing your bag on the ground after each shot, sometimes getting your clubs wet. These stands are more of a modern hickory golf thing and weren't actually used back in the day to my knowledge, but several playing partners I've had were convinced they were. Overall, the antique look pairs great with hickories in a pencil bag and also makes for a great conversation piece. Hope this quick tutorial was helpful for someone out there looking for a new project, and thanks for watching.